Gymmy Jamm, thick back Tuesday, Fortnight Fitness, punch 2 of the 1-2 punch. Today we do the back, the whole back, and nothing but the back. Maybe we might get some triceps in, although we did get triceps in yesterday. Today we have to be more cognizant of the lower back, and we're also dealing with the twingery that we picked up yesterday at no extra charge. So as we've been doing on Thick Back Tuesday, we kind of work from the center to the top to the bottom. So we'll start with lats, some kind of row, maybe a one-arm row, maybe a wide row, maybe a close-in row, something like that. I'm not sure exactly. I've got many pictures in mind, but that's how we're going to do it. That's the name of the game today for the back muscles. I don't think I have any stories, any philosophies to share, any strategies. We will be doing some slow motion stuff, and yes, the rear deltoids. So add that into the mix, get in, get the job done. See you guys on the flip. So as much as I tell others outside of this series how exercise works, how the body adapts, how the body is amazing, etc., 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 I continue to be amazed. Trying new types of exercises, trying new, new styles, new tempos, new approaches to the old exercises, and finding out that the body compensates, acclimates, and becomes stronger in a relatively short amount of time. Another Thick Back Tuesday in the books, and although it was a good session, we kind of took it easy, and as a reward it looks like we get to walk home in the rain once again. So we stayed pretty much to what we had in mind. A lot of rows, standing rows, upright rows, those kind of things. Even some cable rows. A lot of slow motion and holding at the top, at the pull, and then releasing slowly, and we are getting there. Getting a little bit stronger. We didn't feel super strong today, but we had to get the job done. You got to throw that second punch, or it's not a 1-2 punch, right? So we get a little break for a day for Wellness Wednesday, and then we shoot right back in for Deadlifts Day. That's the plan, at least weather permitting, in the Sunshine State. Appreciate you guys, everything you do to help the channel, and your boy here. Just see you next workout.